Good afternoon, everybody. I just finished an install of sequential turn signals and daytime running lights in the front and flashing brake lights in the rear on my 2018 0SR electric motorcycle. These were purchased from Banggood. They mount in the stock location. And this is the rear. And they just have the standard bolt to connect them on to the actually I have a fender eliminator, but I'll power it up, see how it works. So on the front we've got the LED daytime running lights, and they actually switch back, so let me do turn signals. And then in the rear, and then with the brake, I have a gear brake smart brake light unit, so it flashes the brake light when you're regenning or slowing down. But these will actually in there. So you do get a flash of brake on the turn, and then it goes back to turn. If you have any questions, just post them below. Install simple. You've got 3 wires on each. You tie the daytime running light into the parking light and left-right turn signal and a ground. In the rear there's a brake input and a left-right and a ground. And everything went together pretty easy. Took about an hour and a half to install it. I crimped all the stock connectors onto the new turn signals. So the OEM, I cut the ends off and used the standard white slip-on connectors. But if you have any questions, just post them below and I'll answer them. And actually right now I think they're on sale for about $8 for a set of 4. But they're out of stock till October 20th.